My name is Alex. Come on with events with me. We're here for one adventure and we can see what you see. Brasstown Bond.
How high up are we, Alex?
Super.
Super high?
Let me see.
Do you remember where we are?
No, this is south. That's south.
Let's see if we can super far.
Is this a cool adventure?
Yeah.
Say hi.
That's where we dive.
That's where we parked, isn't it? Say hi.
Yeah.
Look, Alex. Alex, say it. Oh, it's an Indian? What else do you see? Where's the train?
Alex, is there a train here?
No.
There's no train. Show us the train.
Alex, where's Alex?
Here.
There you are, Mr. Conductor. Say hi.
Come aboard. Come on the board.
So let's go on an adventure.
Come on, let's go.
Say bye.
Bye, Bobby. I'm going to England.
Okay, see you later.
You gotta get off the train.
Okay.
Vogel State Park.
Hey, Alex, what are you doing?
What? Ticket?
Is that fun? He ended up stripping down and going for a swim.
We're at Neels, guys.
You ready for more adventure?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.
We're dining me on adventure. Bye.